Hello again, guys. Here's the trinocular head of our Olympus is ready for a full adjustment. You can see that all parts are connected. At least we can see through the head and get light from proper direction here. But so far all modules that need to be set properly are just set loose. That means that we have opportunity to make a proper adjustment here. You can see one prism and you can see another prism. All those parts now require some, how to say, special care from me, so I'm trying to do that. And by the way, optical parts of the lenses, of the front lenses of the head have been cleaned finally pretty well. And here's empty space where the part of a splitter is located. When head is properly adjusted, I will need to put this splitter part back into this place, check last adjustment. After that we could say the head is finally adjusted. So let's wait and see how it works. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.